Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to fill all numbers linked to your NIN on Glo line and MTN line. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your dialer. The next thing we want to do, I'm going to start with MTN. Dial star 996# and hit on send on your MTN line. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and enter number 4. Click on send. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and enter number 2 and click on send. Your NIN detail has been sent via SMS for detail. Thank you for choosing MTN. Click on OK. Dear customer, NIN with the number is linked to your number. Thank you for choosing MTN. That is for MTN. Now let's check on how to see how many numbers are actually linked to your NIN on Glo. Dial star 996# and hit on send on your Glo line. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and type number 2. Then click on send. Your number attached to your NIN will be sent as an SMS. Just like what you see right here, open to fill the SMS. Then you have it right here. Your link number is this. Then if you have any other number linked right here and you are not recognized the number, you have to make sure you delete the number from your NIN in order to safeguard your privacy. And this is for MTN also. So the MTN just sent me a response right here. Now for MTN, thanks for choosing MTN. Find below all numbers linked. I have about 2 lines right here on my MTN that has been successfully linked to my NIN. So if you take note of any number that you are not recognized right here, make sure you call this number. Or better still, visit any MTN shop nearest to you within 7 days of this discovery to solve the problem and delete any unverified number on your NIN in order to protect your security and privacy. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.